Guys, Clinical Scoop. Welcome everybody back to Clinical Scoop / Clinical Circle. Clinical Circle / Clinical Scoop. We've got Chris, Dr. Al Jazairli, Monica Paula Quitiva, the world famous one. And we've got all kinds of things to discuss today. A lot of interesting stuff in biotech, guys. And as evidenced by 2 videos ago, nothing you're going to hear is financial advice. Matter of fact, it's probably the opposite of financial advice.
Yeah, if you want to go broke, do what we say.
If you want to go broke, copy what I did with Biogen. Biogen was fantastic at 500 a share. And now 2 weeks later, it's like 300. So good job, Dan, with that one. And but it's about the stock. We are going to analyze stocks. We are going to look at the biotechs. We're going to look at this first story. VIIV. I don't even know how you pronounce this company's name. Viv, I guess. Breakthrough designation for HIV prevention. So what do we got here, Monica? This one's interesting. You really like this one.
Yeah, so it's actually a GlaxoSmithKline subsidiary. I don't know how to this
subsidiary.
Yeah, thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Chris.
So he's also my English teacher. It's true. It's the truth. Okay, so healthcare has announced that it's long-lasting injectable. This one shows good results, but this is mainly for men. It shows that it's 66% more effective at preventing HIV compared to a daily oral FTC.
This is gonna be GSK stock, which is a little harder to get a boost in the price off of this, but this could be a big thing. This is probably already priced in. Let's see if they had a. When did this story come out? This story that you're reading
today.
So let's see what the stock did today. Today is down 2%. So yeah, today is down 2%. So I guess
nobody was impressed.
Well, 9 hours ago, it has the story. Candidate gets breakthrough tag for HIV prevention. FDA grants breakthrough designation, long-acting injectable to decrease the risk of HIV acquisition in at-risk populations. Participants will receive daily
4 weeks apart
and intramuscular placebo injection at 2 time points 4 weeks apart every 8 weeks every 8 weeks thereafter.
2 months?
Yeah, for 2 months.
So initially 4 weeks, and then after week 5, every 2 months. Well, interesting. So Glaxo didn't care. The stock price didn't care about this. So the market's not excited.
But the market's not going to get excited about it, in my opinion. Anything at this point other than to do with COVID, right?
To be honest,
unless they found
Biogen was jumped up on speculation of Alzheimer's.
A little bit. True.
About a little bit. Biogen jumped up a lot, and then I bought at the top. Biogen jumped like 50% in one day, and then I decided it was a good time to buy. What was I thinking? Good thing I took it back and put it in Bitcoin, and now I'm back to where I was.
Good.
But you know what? That right now, pretty much every single vaccine, every single stock is down. Like, look.
AstraZeneca's down. Yeah, you know, the biotechs. Yeah. Let's look at the COVID stuff. Because like Chris was saying, unless it's COVID, it's not really, they're not too excited about it, which is true. I think the Biogen was an exception maybe. Because it's Alzheimer's.
Including this one, the CureVac, that is, so it already signed a huge contract with the United, with Europe, with the European Union.
CureVac is a biopharma.
Their stock is not even
headquartered in Germany. Can you go click on 6 months right there? 6 months on the chart. Go up. Yeah, 6 months. Let's see.
Yeah, February. They went public.
Yeah. So was in the 50s, 55. And then 52-week low, 36. And then 52-week high, 85. So we're trading. I mean, it jumped up just recently, probably on the news. What was the news on this one? CureVac wraps up
Today?
capacity to 300 million COVID doses.
It was today. It was today here. See? Signs COVID vaccine
Oh,
deal
the
with
EU
CureVac.
signs a
This
deal.
was today.
So
That's what I'm saying.
this is
And it
Pfizer
didn't
for
go
the
out.
EU. This is like the Pfizer vaccine for the European Union. I
No,
see.
the CureVac is Pfizer.
No, but like how Pfizer's doing it in the US, this is what the European Union is doing with
Okay, yeah.
they were
Mhm.
the first one to come out.
Mhm.
Wasn't it amazing how Joe Biden well, I'm not going to do politics, guys. There's plenty of podcasts for this. Let's avoid this. I'm going to get
Well, I
bullets.
will make an observation. Not that this is critical in any way, but doesn't that picture really want to make you get an injection? I mean, look at that hole, the
Yeah.
dimple
Yeah.
in the guy's
This
arm.
picture summarizes pharma's disconnect from from Main Street
How
because they
painful.
actually-
How
Yeah.
painful.
Yeah, it looks painful. Who wants
Look.
that?
this picture is my career in an image because pharma they think stuff like this is gonna get people interested in getting vaccinated. Oh, we're gonna go line up now to go get vaccinated.
Oh
Look
yeah,
at this.
I'm more like hell no. I'm not. That's not for me.
There's just a disconnect, guys. There's a disconnect. But this one, so CureVac is trading on the Nasdaq, right? Or on the they're probably on the
One
Nasdaq.
second.
So they're also in the European
Uh,
markets, but they're probably on the Nasdaq too. Let's see.
So I got this. Yeah.
Yeah, Nasdaq. See,
Markets,
Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
CVAC. Don't buy it, people. Which means that it's gonna go up. It's gonna triple by tomorrow. So don't buy it. Don't buy
Oh
this.
my god.
Chris, you
So
can go buy it on
that's-
Robinhood.
Yeah, no, thank you.
So that's what it is about this medication, and now with this one. So
Yes,
these are the
coronavirus.
coronavirus. This is the
Vaccine
coronavirus tracker.
Vaccine
So
tracker,
there are
guys.
54 vaccines around the world right now.
Chris wants all of them
38.
injected. All 54.
In Europe, they're mandating that you have to get these injections, and you can be arrested if you don't.
Yeah, I hear that
Wow.
in Germany.
In
One
Denmark
of my
too.
friends from
Denmark,
Germany
too.
told me.
So here,
Wow.
this is worldwide though, right? 54 vaccines in clinical trials on humans
Yes.
right now, and 87 preclinical vaccines. Why so many vaccines right now? Like, isn't 54? Isn't that enough? And then there's 87 preclinical vaccines. Like, at what point is this normal for vaccines to have so many developers?
I think it's only because of what's happened with COVID. And there is a lot of new technology nowadays about the vaccine and
Mhm.
in general. So everybody is trying his own way. Some of them even is doing like gene modification for the virus itself and making a vaccine for it. And
So shouldn't the
We're
race?
gonna see all the developments start so much. Okay, so many.
Shouldn't the race be
38
over?
in-
Like, why are they still? Pfizer's and Moderna's came out 95 and 96% effectiveness or whatever it was. 90.
That was 90 and 94.
90 and 94. Like, why do we need better than this? Is 90? Do we need to get 100%?
not like this. They're not looking at the efficacy. Efficacy is number one and regarding a prevention of but they're looking at the maintenance for how long the antibodies that this vaccine can produce, and also now with the Pfizer and Moderna, they found out that Pfizer vaccine need to be stored under -80, but Moderna can be stored in so every vaccine have its pros and cons, and that's why they're looking to see how they can modify and make it better for
I gotcha.
for the economy and for the trade, for the stock market and for everybody, That's why, like now, if you look at Pfizer stock is in the back dropping because of the Moderna. It is better than it is more efficacy, less
Side
Mhm.
better
effects.
to be stored and better to be distributed and
Mm,
faster to be distributed.
okay.
That makes sense. Okay, that makes more
So,
sense.
so out of those 54, as we can see here, phase 1, 38, phase 2, 17, phase 3, 12, and ready to be approved 6, and 0 approved yet.
Who's the
So,
sixth?
we're gonna see
Let's
in
see.
this
Oh,
yeah,
We
surprise,
know.
Monica.
We know
surprise,
it's Pfizer,
surprise.
Moderna. We know that Biogen is not doing the Alzheimer's, so they have to do another study, which is good
Three
for
genetic
researchers.
vaccines. So
Okay,
each
so these
each
are
one is different, doing in different way.
okay. So then genetic vaccines. This is phase 3, Moderna.
Mhm.
That's the one Dr. Al was mentioning.
Yep.
Then we go with Pfizer, which is also this one. This all of this are genetic vaccines. So then go with Pfizer. This is phase 2 and 3 at the same time. Moderna is phase 3. Then this one is an Indian. I believe it's Indian and it's a patch.
Zydus.
This is also genetic. Yeah, genetic.
DNA-based vaccine delivered by a skin patch.
That skin patch sounds much better than that picture they gave us.
Can we look?
Totally.
But
Can we
this
look
one
at
is
it?
not even in phase 1 yet.
Yeah. Can
It's
you look
phase
at this
2.
one?
This one,
Phase
yeah,
2
Phase
this
trial.
2.
one is like really.
Can you
It's,
click?
How's
it's
it
phase
gonna
2.
Can we
phase
find
2?
this one on clinicaltrials.gov? Can we look? Zydus?
Yeah.
Let's
Sure.
see. Let's see. Because it says phase 3 to begin in December. So anybody that wants a vaccine study, that's a site. Look, we're here to help you guys. You know, as much as we're here to help you lose money in the stock market, we're here to
Oh,
help you guys
good job.
find studies for yourself too, so you can make it back.
Very nice marketing
Yeah,
tool,
so you can lose the money, but in the
Chris.
stock, but then you make it back with the working of research. So it's
Chris,
like nothing.
You can support your habit, your stock market habit.
Just buy Bitcoin. It's easier.
Look at this picture. This is even more scary.
isn't this patch supposed to be a
Okay,
patch?
let's.
Look at
Yeah,
these
it's a
I
patch.
pictures.
don't know what
Look
this
at these
is.
pictures,
Patch.
and I guarantee you somebody got paid a lot of money to come up with that picture. It's
It's a
very
stupid picture. It's a patch.
welcoming. It's more
A patch.
welcoming that it's for a patch too, and they put a needle.
Trial.
They put a syringe with a dripping green
Yeah,
from it.
makes all the sense in the world.
Oh yeah, looks like an alien autopsy. What is this? Okay, let's find this
Oh, this is
clinicaltrials.gov.
not.
Yeah, go on
Yeah, that's what.
clinicaltrials.gov right there. The last one. And look up Zydus. What's this company name? Yeah, they do U.S. sites. Look, University of Indiana, San Diego. So click the next page to see what's the if they have the patch. We could put recruiting or not yet recruiting. Do you see anything with COVID? Let's see. Intervention, COVID,
No.
COVID. Nothing?
Nope.
You haven't seen
Nope.
anything yet?
Nope. Nope. There's no
Mm-mm.
COVID on that
No,
page.
Or on the
No.
previous page? Nothing?
maybe in the next one. Let's see.
Diabetes, lung cancer, diabetes, septic
Mm,
shock, birth defects,
Influenza. That's the
So on page one,
closest.
was nothing. On page one, no COVID. Facial
Let's
rosacea.
see.
Interesting.
Healthy,
All right.
healthy
Well-
volunteers. That could be the study.
Well, like
The
Dr.
phase
Al
one.
said, this Zydus company is probably not worth following because they're not even the phase 2 is not even posted on clinicaltrials.gov.
Are they traded?
That's a good question.
Let's
Zydus,
see.
whose motto is dedicated to life. That's a good
Okay,
motto.
this is the information about the trial.
Vaccine, novel coronavirus vaccine. Dr. Ravindra Mittal. Yeah, so it's in India. India. So this will never be allowed in the United States. This patch. So that's for India. But India is a huge market. Okay, so CureVac
Yeah.
was the next one. CureVac was the next one that you saw.
Yes.
What's else on
This
that
one.
list?
So this one, I was taking a look of the stock as we already discussed that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So far, nothing I
Now
would buy, which is good because that means I won't lose
this
money.
is phase two. Okay. So
Imperial,
then phase one and two, Imperial College of London.
yeah, Imperial College of London researchers have developed a self-amplifying RNA vaccine which boosts production of a viral protein to stimulate the immune system. You know anything about this one, Dr. L? Self-amplifying RNA vaccine?
And is that specifically to COVID, or is that just boosting the immune system in general?
Boosting the immune system in general.
Okay.
I don't think they can make it like for the immune system to have this line of only for COVID will be
Okay.
very, very tough.
All right.
On the bottom, we have the Japanese stocks
Yeah.
or companies. So these are always interesting because they seem to be ahead of the curve on a lot
Yeah.
of things.
So-
Takara
Phase one and
Bio,
two.
that's a new one. Look up Anges, ANGES, the first one. See if they're trading on
Mhm.
Nasdaq.
And yes,
Yeah,
eh,
ANGES. It's on the Japanese market.
Yes.
Lost
Mhm.
20% today.
Yeah, all these things. We got all losers we're looking at today, but this is good, guys. Don't buy anything. Tomorrow it's gonna go spike. All of them are
So-
gonna spike.
Go back up. Oh, sorry. Never mind. The previous one.
Takara
One
Bio?
more.
Which one?
No.
Imperial College?
The one with
Cuba?
the one that just improves your immune system.
Oh,
See
that's
that-
Imperial
the
College
Imperial
of
College
London.
of London.
See, that to me would seem to be a better investment because it serves multiple purposes, right? If this is very
Mm.
effective, could treat the flu, could or help prevent the flu, colds, whatever, right?
Allergies.
If
Or-
it's truly effective.
or it may boost one area of the immune system and weakens another area of the immune system.
Yeah,
So that's
but-
why.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's still a vaccine. It's still a vaccine.
Still a
It's not like
vaccine,
it's
but
a
that's why
vitamin.
they have to put it through the clinical trial.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that
You know?
doesn't look like a. Takara Bio might be good. What are we looking at here? I'm trying to find like a one that's not discussed so much. Maybe we can find a diamond in the rough for you guys watching and listening that have stayed late. You
Oh,
patiently wait with your
This one
popcorn.
is
Tokyo Exchange.
stable.
So it's looks like it took a big dump from 1270 to 1240 yen, Japanese yen, between 9 a.m. Can you click on 6 months, 6 month chart?
Dan, my advice to you: stop talking about stocks.
Yeah, the stock eight.
You just mentioned the stocks and you see it like flying down.
Look at this, 800. Yeah, see, you're buying all these at the top too. Like all these companies, it's at the top. Now you're just gambling basically which one's gonna get the approval first. Is basically what the people are doing right now. I'm staying away from
Mhm.
any biotech stock. It's just pure entertainment on this show.
Very interesting. Even today I heard in that Buffett is very bullish on the farm. He
Really?
sold Costco, he sold Cisco, and he's very bullish on the farm today.
He sold Costco?
Yes.
Ah. There's a basket of biotech. There's a biotech's exchange traded fund.
Yes.
You know what? I have a friend who's in the you guys talk, but I'm gonna pull up his text. Because he wanted us to look. He watches our show, so thank you, Igor.
Really?
Yeah, he watches. He's a loyal. He's a big fan of Chris, especially. So
Really?
Igor- yeah, no, seriously.
Okay.
Let me pull it up. He
Igor
told
is
me,
is my neighbor.
yeah, he gave me a stock to look at.
Yeah, all this new technology that's been made for this vaccine now, and you never know which one is the winner. Maybe now Moderna, after a couple of months, you'll find another vaccine that's the self-replicating going to be the winner. So that's why everyone in the dark in regard of the vaccine. That's why you don't find out the stock market is really responding to the news of the vaccine very well. Okay, I think Moderna was 90 something, and today went down to 84, or I don't know,
Yeah.
82.
Here we
Use some
go.
sense.
He wanted us to look at this. So can you go to look up CRYOPORT?
C-I-R,
Oh my
C,
gosh.
C-R-Y-O.
No, CRYO Cryoport. Cryoport. PORT. Inc. I think they're a biotech. Let's see. Because he's asking for our opinion. Cryoport, yeah.
Cryobank.
Oh, I saw this one.
Life sciences. There are solutions to the life sciences industry. Design and manufacture temperature sensitive and cryogenic packaging systems for shipping of biological. So you know how when there's a gold mine and everybody comes, all the miners come to look for gold. The people who made money were the guy Levi Strauss, who invented the jeans, and he sold jeans and shovels to the miners. This is what this company does. They sell the tools, the infrastructure to all these vaccine, people playing the lottery with the vaccine. And so this might be a
Exactly.
better stock to buy. Can you look up the stock price, the Cryoport? CYRX.
Yeah, it's actually here. It's 45.70 right now.
Let's look at the 6 month.
Was it about 60? So
What
quite
is the
top.
news? Think it's too late to get in and profit? It might not be. Pfizer and Moderna all recently announced positive. No. Any news on this company though? So we got more, guys. I know. We got more. Look. There's more viral vector
So
vaccines.
this is viral vector vaccines.
Step on up and play roulette. Okay, and now we have
Phase 3.
CanSino Bio, the Chinese.
By the way, before I forget, if you're looking at the jeans and the shovel seller, we need to look at the one who's going to transport the vaccine to in the state and outside the state. And mainly they're looking at I think one of the report I read, it was the UPS and FedEx.
So
Okay,
they're competing, or they're both going to get? They're
No,
both gonna
both of
transport.
them gonna. But this is another one, as Dan said about the jeans and the shovels.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Cryo Vix and also FedEx and UPS also.
Right.
Keep an eye on that.
Maybe Chris, we got to do that.
Mhm.
What about CanSino Bio? Any love for the Chinese company CanSino Biologics? Developed a vaccine based on adenovirus, which is
I bet
lost.
they have-
But we're looking right now. Let's see. It says Chinese stock.
Wow. This is the only one up to
I
now
know,
that
but
up.
Monica, wow, for one day, shot 60 cents.
Yeah.
Go 6 months.
Let's see 6 months. What? Let's see if it's wow. Hold on. Let's see.
No.
That's wow.
It's doing
That's
well.
wow. Actually, it would be a good time to buy. Look, if you just look at the chart, I mean, we have to see the news. I know nothing about this. We don't know if they do anything on. Can you look up CanSino Biologics on clinicaltrials.gov?
Yeah, they're probably the only pharmaceutical company that can run true phase 1 studies.
I think they.
You mean real life phase 1 study?
Yeah, here it might kill you. Here, you're getting it anyhow.
That's right, real life phase 1
Oh
study.
wow! They have
To all of our
14.
viewers from
See?
China, which are
They
none
put in.
because they don't allow YouTube there. We're sorry.
They have
COVID-19.
1, 2, 3, 4 in COVID-19.
So they're doing studies in China, Islamabad, Halifax, Canada,
and Canada.
Wuhan. So all in China. Go down anymore? US? Anything US? Probably not. It's probably not in the lines with Operation Warp Speed from Trump.
They did it in Russia.
Yeah, so maybe what else did we see on that list? This is not for the faint of heart. This kind of stock. That's why they're
Okay,
literally
so
calling
then
it
this one,
casino bio.
this one I'm assuming Russian. So can you read this, Dan?
the Romanians are close, but I can't read that. The Gamaleya Research Institute. So seriously, we're on the New York Times, and they just showed us 2 U.S. companies, and everything else is like a foreign company. This is from the New York Times.
Yeah, no, Johnson and
Okay, here's
Johnson.
Johnson and Johnson. I was gonna say, I thought this was a reputable newspaper.
Phase 3. No, it's around the whole world, all the vaccines that are
So
active.
you think
they study.
if it is the New York Times and they put like Chinese and Russian
Yeah, what's
company,
going
they're
on?
not good?
I have no idea what's going on. I never heard of this casino bio.
So I want to put Dan on the spot real quick. Dan, in your opinion, who's more ethical, Casino Bio or Johnson & Johnson?
I have no idea. I mean, how do I know? I've done studies with Johnson and Johnson. I have never done study with Casino
Well, you
Bio.
don't have to have done studies with Casino Bio.
Why? What am I have nothing to compare it to.
All right,
J&J,
fine.
one of the worst companies to do business with, J&J, in my opinion.
Okay.
Hopefully, you guys want to sponsor, though. Maybe it'll change my mind.
Too late. Too late.
The ball's in your court.
Oh my gosh.
J&J. The ball's in your court. AstraZeneca, here we go. Here's a good company.
And Oxford.
Yep. So we've looked at AstraZeneca stock before.
Yeah.
I think Dr. Al brought
I
that up
think
a
I
few
pull it here.
segments ago.
So
Did you
this
buy
is
it? Did you end up buying Dr. Al?
Nope.
No.
This is AstraZeneca. Look.
It's down. So it's steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah. So guys, if you're looking for home runs, I don't think we're finding any unless you want to go Casino Bio. Reitera, Italian. Here's an Italian biotech company. Reitera, COVID-19. National Institute for Infectious
Phase
Diseases
1.
in Rome. And then you have another one, Vaxart. Vaxart is from where? San Francisco. The small San Francisco company, Vaxart. This one might be worth looking into. The same viral vector in Cancino's bios. So it's similar to... This one might be interesting. We might have waited till the end for the gem. For the bottom of the barrel, you find the gem.
Look at this.
Okay, guys.
This is a good one.
I told you, stick with me and you'll find the gems. Look at this. What is this? 6 months. Went from 20 to 5. What do we have here? What's the news? Can we go to clinicaltrials.gov? Guys, you wait long enough. Don't buy this.
This is an oral COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah. Yep.
Oral COVID-19 vaccine. And I think a strong buy recommendation came from the analyst for Vaxart.
Active, not recruiting. Okay. Oh, and I know who the site that's doing this. I know the founder, West Coast Clinical Trials, and I know the couple of the higher ups there. Maybe we can ask them what they think about this. Come on the show next week. They won't say anything, but we can have them on. Vaxart. When Vaxart... Wait, go back. Vaxart. Earlier this year, Vaxart began work on the oral vaccine. It contains an adenovirus called AD5, the same viral vector in Casino's Bio's vaccine and Russia's Sputnik 5, properly named.
So this is Casino Bio also, again.
It's the U.S. version. It's the U.S. version. It's the U.S. version of Casino Bio, but
the
smaller.
Chinese company.
Maybe it's good. I don't know. I'm not putting any more money in biotech. So you guys could do it if you'd like, and let me know next week what you think.
I think the rating for this VXRT is very bullish, with the Seeking Alpha, Wall Street, and Quant.
Yeah. Jeez. I mean, this was a really good article, Monica. You can we can be here all day looking at these things. I think this is a...
Can you send it to me, Monica, please?
Yeah, it's the...
it's on our chat in the phone messages.
The New
Okay.
York Times. You know, they
Mhm.
won't say anymore.
So then we have Merck, then Hong Kong,
Yeah,
phase
Hong Kong,
one.
DZIF, German Center for Infectious
This is
Research.
this is your
Merck.
country, Chris.
Yeah, this is for
Merck.
Chris. Ask Chris if he can read that logo.
Chris is one language only.
Well, that's your language right there. Vaccina and
It's
Cara.
straightforward.
That's not the one.
What else,
It's
Monica? We got 2
straightforward.
minutes.
It's
Chris
language.
and I have 2 minutes because we have a call in 2 minutes, but I want to find a home run.
Okay.
Immunity Bio. What's this? This looks good. Immunity Bio. Go up two. Immunity Bio,
California
California-based
base.
company. Immunity Bio launched a phase 1 trial. Immunity Bio is billionaire Patrick Soon Shuang, the owner of the Los Angeles. He's the CEO. Okay, can you look up this stock and then look up clinicaltrials.gov, and we'll leave. Me and Chris have to leave soon, but this is
Well,
too fun. I'm having too fun with you guys.
Well, we can continue. I started the meeting, so I'll know when they get on.
Oh, okay. They can join us like through intermeeting podcast.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, you'll never see a show like this on the
All
internet
right.
anywhere else.
COVID-19. Not yet recruiting.
Okay,
This can
so
be
here you
for
go. Who
People
wants
that wants to
Dr.
do.
Al, you want to study? Here you go. Let's
What?
we can send you. They're looking for sites. The phase 1 immunity.
Is it
bio-
outpatient or inpatient first?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Phase 1. It's phase 1.
Phase one.
In adults with
I'm sure-
COVID-19.
Yeah, I'm sure that's inpatient.
Yeah, it's
You would think.
inpatient, but phase 1B randomized. Let's see what the sites. Let's see which sites and how many patients and which sites. It's probably West Coast Clinical Trial.
Okay, so how
Oh,
many
we got
patients?
the guy. We got the director's number. Go down.
30 patients only.
30. So
Ah.
it's only gonna be one site, but we got the director, Jeffrey Safrit, and it doesn't show which sites are being used. Go up a little bit. Nothing. Yeah, nothing.
Nothing.
So we can call Jeff and say, hey, we have a couple sites interested in this. They've been discussing your stock. What? Can you look up this stock?
Yes.
Immunity biogiven vaccine shows a favorable safety profile than early stage study. That's mainly, but there is no, I don't think it's traded.
Hey, Dan, they're on.
I think it is under NK. What is NK? I don't know. NANTKWEST Inc.
Yeah, Nant.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Immunity Bio and NantQuest signed COVID joint development. So maybe
There
the
you
company
go.
is NantQuest.
No, I think.
This is it.
Monica, what side? Which country are you using? Is this pesos or what? This price is because I have it here. It's $8.26, and here I find that 578.
It's
I'm not
Ethereum.
joking.
Go down.
Which
Yeah, right there.
one?
NantQuest.
Yeah.
NantQuest.
Second one. NK. Go to the Yahoo and put NK only.
NK.
Go back
Okay.
to Yahoo. Yahoo Finance.
Yahoo Finance. Yeah, let me wrap this up, guys. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun.
$8.27.
We're having a lot of fun. You can buy something for $8.27. NantQuest. I'm gonna actually look that
We
one up.
can keep discussing
That's a
this one
good-
next week.
That's a good
because
cliffhanger
still
for
have
next
a
week.
lot.
Yes, that's a
Yeah.
very good cliffhanger for next week. It's so much fun doing this. I'm not going to invest any money
Yeah.
in it, but it's interesting to see. And I appreciate Monica. You did a great job. My computer was really not doing well
Thank
today,
you.
so you did a very good job sharing the screen. And let's do it again. We're going to do it next week, right before Thanksgiving, right?
All right.
That's
Okay,
right.
guys. Thank you.
Everybody have a good evening.
Thank you.
everybody.
Nice seeing you guys.
Bye-bye. Good luck,
Bye-bye.
guys.